in English, it's called the heavens. Heavens.
Hello guys.
Busy.
Don't forget to please subscribe.
I think that
What about?
Thank you sa mga sponsor.
it's so nice.
Ay, Lisa.
The food is great and nice.
Mag-go. Lisa, hi! Hi! Thank you, Daisa, nag-prepare sa Thanks for my hair and makeup. Sarap. Wow! There's a mango shake. Are you excited, Kate, to taste the mango shake? Wow! Thank you!
Go!
Wow! Lisa, look! Wow!
Ay, papa.
We have little fingers, yummy kayo, tapos rice, and then
Order.
saan pagbahay ko, nagwanda ron.
Dapat yan ha?
And this one, salamat sa mga agaw. Nalibre si Agaw, shout out Agaw.
Oy, shout out sa akong kasin Dwight Apatan. Thank you, ano yun? Hindi yan.
Thank you for Japanese.
Ano? Sushi. Kasi pangalan ni Mami? Sushi.
Manlangit sushi.
Ay, this is all Heavens in Sushi. And for our sponsor,
Yeah.
wala na kabayo.
Thank you. How about you? It's yummy? Wow. Hindi ko nisundog sa imo, nagkanahanap sa video. Wow, what's that? Biit na biit. Eat. Wow, it's yummy. Kate, hi Kate. Say hi. Welcome to Tito Donut's vlog. Hi, hi, hi. Say hi.
Lisa, you rate the food. You rate
How many thumbs up?
the yummy.
There's a dog, mommy.
Girls on. Hey.
Obladi! Oblada! This is called the city lights. And this is called, the other part is the barangay lights. The city lights.
The food was good.
Lisa! Yo! Arang. How about this one? Sisikin. Lisa?
Yan po. Oh my God.
Katawa. Oh no! Lisa, oh no! Did you poop? No. Bayad naman pa lang, sir. Thank you. Kayo sa madali ang pagkuhan sa food. Hi! Oh, hi! Love life! Lisa, hi! Hi! Are you happy? Yeah! Wow! Ibutang, Vic! Ibutang! Wow! Tanaw mo! Fuck! Diretso!
Are you doing vlog?
Ha?
Are you doing vlog?
Di, nice na dali ako eh.
Ita, are you doing vlog?
Picture mo, Vic! Dali.
Ita, are you doing vlog?
Hi! Alam mo, diretso na nasubos! Dali! Take a picture! Go! What's that? Wow, dali! Hello! Kate, say hi! Evening, everyone! Hello! Say hi! Hi, guys! Awit ng buhay ko. Luwi sa puso. Sleeper na po.
home already.
Now, mapuna na mo ni.
We're walking. So we're here walking. We are walking. We are here already, guys. We're already here now. Our home is too far away. So we're here in the tricycle motor. So we're here. Alright, so we're here already. Alright, so we are already
Now
here.
riding in tandem. Oh, sige, stay, oy! Oy!
So I'm here
On
already.
position! On position!
And we're already here. They're all so busy. So I'm going to also noisy. Say hi to my vlog.
Oy!
Okay, so we're going
Wear your mask because it's so above. Nika, your mask.
Okay, so we're gonna wear our face mask. Wait for a while. So done. Wear my mask.
Video Loisa. Hi! Say bye!
Say hi.
We will go home.
We're already going home.
Hi, Ken! Hi, Loisa! Yeah! Hi! Hi, Nika!
So we're here.
Nika's vlog.
Tita Tonette is vlogging.
Yeah, subscribe! Subscribe!
Please subscribe, please.
Ano, lingok?
So we're here. It's a rock road. So they're here. Loisa is laughing at the rock road.